Okay. Start.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are diving into a very relevant topic in education. Should universities ban or embrace AI tools like ChatGPT for assignments? We will hear two different perspectives from Hilman and Hong. Let's begin with Hilman.
Thanks, Najwa. Personally, I think universities should embrace AI tools like ChatGPT. Use responsibly. AI can exchange how we learn. It can help us brainstorm ideas, clarify complex topics, organize essays, and even improve writing skills. Think of it like a digital tutor. It's available anytime and it supports independent learning.
I see your point, Hina. But I think we are underestimating the risk. Many students already use the ChatGPT to write most of their assignment and pass it off as their own. That is academic dishonesty, plain and simple. If universities fully embrace AI without restriction, it can undermine the value of education.
That's a fair concern, Hong. Are you suggesting a full ban?
Not necessarily fully, but uh, there need uh, to be clear limit. Maybe a student can use AI for grammar checks or initial brainstorming, but not for full answers or essay writing. If we do not draw the line, the learning process suffers.
But Hong, technology has always faced resistance. Remember when calculators were first introduced, people thought they ruined math education, but now they are standard tools. AI is no different. Instead of banning it, we should teach students how to use it ethically.
That is an interesting comparison. Hilman, do you think students are prepared to self-regulate their use of AI?
Some are, but that's why universities should offer training. Teach students how to cite AI, fact check its output, and use it to support, not replace their work. Banning it only encourages secret usage. Embracing it with clear guidance turns into a learning tool.
I agree the need for guidance, but let's not ignore how some AI is evolving. Tools like ChatGPT can now write in a student's voice, make uh, categories detection almost impossible. Universities need to be proactive, not reactive. They should set firm boundaries before it becomes unmanageable.
Both of you have valid points. What about the lack of consistent rules? Some lecturers allow AI use, others say it's cheating. Doesn't that add to the confusion?
Absolutely. One of my lecturers encouraged us to use ChatGPT for feedback on draft. Another say even using it for ideas was dishonest. Without gender policy, students don't know what is acceptable.
Exactly why we need official university guidelines, not bans. We could even include an AI usage statement with assignments. For example, I used ChatGPT to help generate an outline but wrote the essay myself. That kind of transparency helps everyone.
That sounds reasonable, but I still think AI should be off limit for high stake works like uh, paper or final project. Those are meant to test critical thinking and originally no prop writing skill.
Fair point. Maybe a hybrid approach could work. AI can be used in early stage planning, outlining, checking grammar, but not for content creation in final assessment. Oral defenses or reflective component could be added to ensure students understand their work.
What about students who rely on AI for accessibility reasons, like those with language barriers or learning challenges?
That's one of the best thing about AI. It gives everyone a chance to improve their skills and understand the material better. It can even build confidence in students who struggle with writing or English. Why take that way?
I agree it helps in those cases, but again, it should be supervised. Maybe AI tool can be built into some university system with users checking and limits based on the content. So it can support learning without enabling shortcut.
It sounds like both of you are starting to agree on a balanced approach. Use AI with guidance, second promote transparency, and maintain academic integrity.
Absolutely, we are not saying students should let AI do all the work. We are saying they should learn how to collaborate with it, just like they work with any other tool in the future workplace.
Yes, universities should take the lead by offering AI programs. If students understand the risk and responsibility, they will be more likely to use it wisely.
Well said. So maybe the real question isn't should we ban or embrace AI, but rather how do we adapt our education system to ensure it responds to the future?
Exactly. The future's already here. We just need to learn how to work with it.
Okay, with proper structure, AI can be an ally or a tool.
Thank you, Hilman and Hong, for a thoughtful and balanced discussion. Hopefully, more universities will follow your example in finding the right balance between innovation and integrity. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.